What's up, campers? Ranger Ethan here, along with Ranger Aaron and Ranger Paul. We're gonna bring you today's craft video. For today's craft video, we are making kitchen tool monsters.
Oh yeah.
All right, so here's what you need to do today's craft. You need a kitchen tool, but if mom or grandma, whoever has control of the kitchen in your house, might be dad, okay? If they don't want you to use their kitchen tools, you can use like a plastic fork or spoon. It just won't be as big or as cool as these. Okay guys, while we're getting the rest of our supplies together, we'll show you what we have here on the table so far. So we have beads, we have googly eyes right here.
We have small, tiny clothespins.
Small tiny clothespins, you have paper clips, and guys, really.
Oh, that would be cool for hair.
Yeah, whatever you have to use around your house to make your kitchen tool monster, use it. I mean, like, there's so many things we can use. We have big paper clips, mini paper clips, beads. Like I said, we have googly eyes. I mean, we have rubber bands. We can do stuff with that. You guys have pipe cleaners. Those are awesome, okay, to use for arms, tails, or legs.
Guys, I found scissors.
Oh, you did?
But I didn't run because
Sweet.
we're not supposed to run with scissors.
Don't run scissors. All right, and we also have construction paper. We have tape, and if you wanted to, we also have a big gallon of glue that we could use. We're not gonna use glue today, it's kind of messy. And we have straws here, so there's all sorts of things that you can use to make your kitchen monster. Now, I already told Ranger Paul what I was gonna make. Let me tell you guys, I'm gonna make, it's not gonna be creepy, but it's gonna be it's a monster that has like lots of, a couple eyes, a big smiling mouth that has not creepy sharp teeth, but just like lots of teeth. And he's got a couple arms just being like kind of being silly, waving in the air, okay? What are you making, man?
I'm gonna make a cyclops, and I already started on the hair with the clothespins, so.
I am going to make a furry monster. Furry. So, I'm taking the string, and I'm undoing it so it flares out.
Okay.
And I'm gonna stick it all over.
That's
Make
great.
it fur. And then I'm gonna put eyes on top of it.
Nice.
It's not even done yet, you know, it looks good.
Alright, kind of teeth. Oh, I
It
knew
looks more like a baby.
Awesome baby.
See? Did I not do a good job with him?
Babies are creepy.
Oh, dude, that looks awesome! It actually legit looks so cool.
I think I could add more.
You could, but I mean, if you can keep it simple and it still looks really good.
Yeah.
That looks good. You can add more points for it. I'm
But
sorry, mine.
I'm just thinking, like, what could I add? Like hands, yeah.
Okay, guys, we are almost finished up here. Ranger Paul's pretty much done with his.
I'm done.
What's on his neck?
It's a scarf. I'm gonna show it to you.
Is he a classy monster?
He's waving, and he has a scarf on, and he has a part in the middle of his hair. Looks pretty good. These are fangs, so he can bite into his juice box.
Your monster likes juice boxes?
Yeah.
I like it. Dude, you're just a
Yeah,
whiz.
that looks good. That's funny.
His name is Joe. And he likes to eat cake.
Mine's name is Chadwick.
Sorry, I added two
All right,
more
kids, I'd like to introduce you to Brody. He's super fit. As you can see, he's got lots of bulging muscles on his arms.
arms. Joe likes to take the stage. He's a stage hog.
Chadwick likes fighting. But he's also friendly. He's waving to everyone.
Oh, I should make mine win.
No, I'll put him down here.
No, sorry, Brody's flexing. Look at him. Brody's flexing.
All right, guys. We want to see your kitchen tool monsters. As you can see, none of us really used anything that would stick onto it. So after this is done, we could probably take all of this off and just leave the spoons. So we want to see, before you take all your stuff off, we want to see what it looks like.
Yep. We just used regular tape.
All right, guys. Kitchen tools and Rangers out.